this episode of Runout machining, we are correcting one mistake I made when tightening the bearings of this spindle. They are too tight at the moment. The bearing becomes warm, and I believe this is not how it should be. This is the bearing tightening nut. I have already there is these notches which lock this nut in place. So we need to get it a little bit looser. So I have this huge hammer, and then I'm just using my screwdriver to get it one step looser. Well, I think I'm okay. This must be a little bit more. Okay. Well, let's take it 2 steps. That was one, and this second is there. Huh. Okay. Now this one is the one that should be for locking. This doesn't adjust itself. You must give it a blow with both directions, so then it aligns itself onto place. Now let's run it, and I will set it to a really high speed so we can hear it and feel it if it warms up. It's definitely binding yet. Oh yeah, you can feel it's already warming a little bit. So a little bit more loose. There is the one I'm aiming at. Okay. Let's see. Okay. And now it oh no. Okay. Well, I will lock it there. Okay. Huh. Now, after I lock it, I will just run it quite a long time so I can feel if it still becomes warm. Okay. Here I am measuring the runout of this spindle. The instrument you see is the resolution is 1,000 of a millimeter, also so 1 micron for division. And as you can see, the runout here is well, it's not runout, it's something like dings on the surface. So it's way under 1/100th of a millimeter. Okay, that's one measurement. Then let's take another inside the spindle. Okay, and this one is inside the spindle. And as you can see, there is some ding in there. And this one, as you can see, is not thousandths of a millimeter. This is 1/100th of a millimeter, and well, it's still really, the runout is acceptable, I would say. Okay, and then let's see how much do we have play on the table. Stop this one, and then just do some rocking. Oh yeah, there is a lot of backslash. Oh yeah, almost half a millimeter. That's too much. I have to take care of that. This was the very short episode of phenolic machining. Next episode will be dealing with cleaning up this cylinder, and there is some dirt behind this ring. Also, we need to adjust this brake. It's not braking properly. But that will be in the next episode of phenolic machining. Till then, bye!